Okay, what is in today? Look what I made. I made this whole thing, dude. And, well, but someone else helped me about the hot glue. But, hey, I collected these materials. I collected the flowers and the leaves.
Or else what would it be? If it wasn't the flowers and the leaves?
Then it would just be just plain old cardboard of surrounding my head. So yeah. Anyway, so I made this of an idea. I'm going to keep on adding more and more stuff to this. More and more. So yeah, we're going to make more videos of you looking at this. Okay? Yeah. As you can tell, you can see the hot glue. We're very much still working on this. Okay, guys, like and subscribe. Hit the like button. Hit the bell for notifications. And also, hit the subscribe button to see what I do next to this crown here. What I do next. Bye, guys. Peace.